Good morning. Crystal Shear, your exercise physiologist, here to bring you a short segment of relaxation with some gentle stretching. I'd like to first orient you to our landscape here. When I reach over to this side, I will refer to it as the rock side. For example, we'll say bring the rock arm toward the rock side, or I might say bring the rock arm toward the stream side. So it would look like this. Similarly, if I would say bring the stream arm to the stream side, I would reach like this. And so let's begin. We're going to start with our deep breathing and shrugging our shoulders up. I invite you to breathe through the nose as you inhale and exhale through the mouth as you lower the shoulders down. Do this on your own for a few deep breaths and just enjoy the beautiful, serene sound and background that we have here today. One more on your own or with me. Let's take the stream arm and we're going to reach forward, bending and extending your wrist. And we'll lower it down. Let's take the rock arm. We're going to reach out, bend and extend that wrist. And we'll lower it down. Let's inhale again, shrugging our shoulders up. And exhaling back down. Let's take the stream arm, reach for the rock. Take the rock arm and hold on to the first arm. Pull it toward your arm. Pull it toward your body. We'll lower the rock arm down, open the stream arm toward the stream. Elbow down and slightly bent toward your body. Palm is up, fingers are spread. Let's inhale and reach that arm overhead. Exhale, lower it back down. Again, inhale up. Exhaling down. Try a few more just like that this time. Try a few more just like that this time. We're going to make a fist as we inhale and come up overhead. Exhale down. One more. Perfect. You can rest the stream arm down on the stream leg. Let's take the rock arm and we're going to bend. Palm is open, fingers are spread. And let's inhale and reach overhead. Exhale, back down. Excellent. Let's make a gentle fist and continue the movement. Inhale and reach the rock arm up. Exhale, lower it down toward your torso. And we can lower the rock arm down on the rock leg. Let's lift our heels up, raising our knees toward the ceiling or toward the trees. Inhale with me. Exhale, we'll lower our heels down, planting our feet firmly on the ground. Let's try that again. Inhale, lift your heels up. Exhale, lower them down. A few more. Excellent. Let's interlock our fingers together, or you can clasp them in another way that feels best for you. We're going to pretend we're holding a bat and bring it up as if we're getting ready to swing a ball. Bring your chin toward the rock shoulder. Keeping your chin there, we're going to slowly lower our hands down onto our stream leg. And slowly return to the center, bringing your hands also to heart center. Let's try that again on the rock side, bringing our arms up as if we were getting ready to swing a bat. The bat is pointed behind us at the rock. Slowly bring your chin toward the other shoulder, toward the stream. Keeping your chin there, slowly lower your hands down toward the rock leg. Still breathing deeply. And we'll slowly return back to heart center. Let's inhale up, unclasp, and exhale, lower down. Again, inhale up, exhale, down. One more. Try to make that reach as high as you can. And the slowest exhale. And back to heart center. Very good. Interlock your hands or clasp your hands together with me. We're going to come up to bat again. This time the stream elbow is going to open up. Try to keep your wrists neutral and strong. We're going to slowly swing through. We're going to go toward the rock hip. This time, the elbow nearer to the rock is pointed behind us. Our shoulder blade is firmly squeezed toward our spine. Our shoulders are not tense, they are lengthened. And our spine and our posture is also nice and tall. Let's return back to heart center. Inhaling up, exhaling back down. Again, inhaling up, exhaling down. One more like that. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Let's interlock our hands one more time. Come up to bat. And the rock elbow is going to be pointed toward the rock. Our wrists are lengthened and strong. We are breathing deeply. And we're going to slowly swing through toward the opposite hip. This time, the stream elbow is pointed behind us. Let's inhale, shrug. Exhale, lower the shoulders down. Our shoulder blade of the stream side is still firmly squeezed behind us. We're getting a great stretch across our chest. And we'll slowly come back to the center. Let's inhale, open. Exhale, close, hug, round your spine forward, keeping your head above your heart. Inhale, open. Exhale, close, round, forward. A few more just like that. Inhaling. Slowly exhaling and rounding. Let's do one more together. Wonderful job. Thank you so much for joining me near the stream. I hope you feel a little bit more relaxed than when you started. Hope to see you again.